Welcome students in 12th Maths second. Student, in Maths second we had started topic number first, similarity. In last video we had seen some standard of functions, derivative of some standard of function. First we recall all these standard of functions. First we had seen derivative of constant term is 0. Derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Derivative of 1 upon x raised to n is equal to minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Derivative of x to the base a is 1 upon x log a. So you remember this derivative of some standard function. If you know this standard function derivative, then you can easily find the composite function. Now in this video we will see derivative of composite function. So let's start. Derivative of composite function. Function of another function. Composite function means function of another function. There is not only one function, there are more than one function. Then we call it as function of another function. Students, we had studied derivative of simple function like see derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. But the derivative of sin root x is what? Log of sin x square plus 5 is what? Or e raised to tan x, etc. are not simple functions. बघा हे सगळे सिंपल फंक्शन आहेत. साइन एक्स नुसतं एक्स असेल तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? सिंपल फंक्शन. लॉग एक्स, ई रेज टू एक्स, these are the simple function. But here not sin x is there, sin root x is there. So these such type of functions are called composite functions. Here log x is not there, log of sin x square plus 5 is there. And here e raised to x is not there, e raised to tan x is there. So such type of function we call it as composite function. Then how to differentiate this composite function? We will see one theorem based on it. See the theorem statement. If y is equal to f of u is differentiable function of u and u is equal to g of x is differentiable function of x such that the composite function y is equal to f of gx. See here f of gx means it is composite function. G of x is u and f of u means g of x. So it's differentiable function of x. Then we can write dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. म्हणजे आपण याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेताना बघा y इज इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ यू हे फंक्शन असेल तर त्याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स घेताना dy by dx इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट यू फाइंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ u, derivative of y with respect to u, and then derivative of u with respect to x. Okay, so what is the proof? See here, you remember only statement of this theorem. Okay, see the proof. What is given? We have given y is equal to f of u and u is equal to g of x. We assume that u is not constant function is here. Then there is small increment in the value of x, say delta x. Delta x म्हणजे काय? Small increment in x, and delta y is the small increment in y. Delta u is the small increment in u. So here delta x, delta u and delta y are very small increment in x, y, u and y respectively, and these all three are not equal to 0. We have delta y upon delta x is equal to delta y upon delta u into delta u upon delta x. Here we take limit as x, delta x tends to 0 on both sides. What we get? We get limit delta x tends to 0. Delta y upon delta x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 delta y upon delta u into limit delta x tends to 0 delta u upon delta x. As delta x tends to 0, delta u tends to 0 because u is continuous function of x. So here you can write this as it is. Here delta y upon delta u as it is, delta u upon delta x. Here only change in the limit. डेल्टा एक्स ऐवजी काय झालं इथं डेल्टा यू झालेला आहे बघा. ओके, दिस चेंज ऑकर्स सिन्स वाय इज डिफरन्शियल फंक्शन ऑफ यू अँड यू इज डिफरन्शियल फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स. सो वी राईट एज डेल्टा वाय अपॉन डेल्टा एक्स यू as dy by du and delta u by delta x as du by dx. Y is differentiable function of u, therefore we write dy by du and here you write du by dx. Therefore from these two equation we get limit delta x tends to 0 delta y upon delta x is equal to, for this you write dy by du and for this you write du by dx. You call this as equation number 3rd. This third exists and is finite, then this is exist and finite, then this also exists. Therefore we can write this as dy by dx. So we get dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Hence the proof. Now student, we see derivative of some standard composite functions. Last video we had seen standard derivatives. Now we see standard composite functions and its derivative. First is f of x raised to n. Its derivative is n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into f dash of x. Then root of f of x. Root x derivative काय बघा 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2 root x. And again derivative of this means f dash of x. So it becomes f dash of x upon 2 root f of x. Then 1 upon f of x raised to n minus n f dash of x upon f of x raised to n plus 1. Sin of f of x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. So here sin of f of x is there. So we write as cos of f of x into this function's derivative f dash of x. Cos of f of x. Cos x चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय आहे मायनस साइन एक्स. मग इथं कॉस ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्सचं काय येणार आहे मायनस साइन एफ ऑफ एक्स इंटू एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स. टॅनचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय आहे सेक्स स्क्वेअर. मग इथं पण टॅनचं सेक्स स्क्वेअर एफ ऑफ एक्स इंटू अगेन डिफरन्शिएट दिस फंक्शन एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स. सेक ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स सेकचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय आहे सेक एक्स इंटू टॅन एक्स इंटू अगेन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स. सिमिलरली कॉट एक्सचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय आहे मायनस कोसेक स्क्वेअर एक्स. And here f of x is there, therefore again it take derivative of f of x, that is f dash of x. Cosec f of x minus cosec f of x into cot f of x into f dash of x. A raised to f of x, a raised to f of x into log a into f dash of x. E raised to f of x, e raised to f of x into f dash of x. Log of f of x 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. And log f of x to the base a is equal to f dash of x upon f of x into log a. Student, here you observe that these are the composite function f of x. So you remember the standard formula, that is C. Standard formula for sin x is cos x. So here f of x is there. And again you take the derivative of that composite function f of x. Similarly, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So here log of f of x is 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. Okay, you write in this way f dash of x upon f of x. Okay, understand? This is the composite function. म्हणजे composite function असेल तर पहिला रेग्युलर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचं, लॉग ऑफ एक्सचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचं 1/x. अगेन इंटू काय करायचं आहे, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ दॅट टर्म, आणि पुन्हा त्याचं त्या टर्मचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचं आहे. ओके, अंडरस्टँड? नाव वी विल सी एक्झाम्पल्स इन एक्सरसाइज 1.1. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. स्टुडंट्स, नाव वी विल सी एक्झाम्पल्स इन exercise 1.1. Question first is differentiate with respect to x. What is the first example? Y is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. Here we differentiate with respect to x. I write shortly here. So what is the derivative of y? D by dx of differentiate with respect to x means d by dx of y is equal to d by dx. Differentiate with respect to x means d by dx of x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. So we know the formula for x raised to n. Derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. We used here that formula. X raised to n, n means here 5 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 means 4 into, see, if there is only x, then we write only n into x raised to n minus 1. But here not is x, there is algebraic function there. So here write again, take derivative of the bracket term, that is x cube minus 2x minus 1. Okay, understand first step. Here it is in the form x raised to n. So we write as n into x raised to n minus 1 means 4 into d by dx of. Here only x is present, then we here stop. But there are different terms, so we take derivative of all these terms. 5 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 as it is. Take derivative of all these terms. We have seen addition, subtraction of derivative. Take derivative of x cube, then derivative of 2x and derivative of minus 1. What is the derivative of x cube? X cube derivative is 3x square minus derivative of 2x is 2 and minus derivative of 1 which is constant term 0. So we get final answer as 5. First you write this 3x square minus 2 and then write this x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4. This is the last answer. Okay. Here you find first derivative and again derivative of this function. Similarly, second example. Here we differentiate with respect to x. We get d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of 2x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 5 upon 2. We have to find derivative of all these terms. That is here also derivative of x raised to n means n. n means here 5 upon 2 into 2x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 5 upon 2 minus 1. See, this is the formula d by dx of x raised to n. n into x raised to n minus 1 into again into d by dx of this bracket terms 2x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5. हे लिहायला विसरायचं नाही, पुढचं टर्म लिहायला आपण विसरतो. We have to find derivative again that terms. Okay. Now see 5 upon 2 into 2x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 2 1 are 2, 5 minus 2 3 upon 2 into again take derivative of each term. First this term derivative 2 into x raised to n means 3 upon 2 into x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 1 3 upon 2 minus 1 minus 3 into 4 upon 3 into x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 1 minus 0. 5 upon 2 into bracket 2x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 3 upon 2 into, here 2 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. What remains? 3 into x raised to 3 minus 2 1 upon 2 minus 4 into x raised to 4 minus 3 1 upon 3. So final answer is 5 upon 2, 2x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 3 upon 2 into 3. You write this as root x minus 4 cube root of x. This is our final answer. You may write this bracket first and then that bracket. Okay. See third example. Differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of root? You had learned the standard formula. I had told you in the last lecture, the chart. Root x का derivative क्या है? 1 upon 2 root x. So here 1 upon 2 root x means all this term, x square plus 4x minus 7 into d by dx of root x असेल तर नुसतं 1 upon 2 root x लिहिणार आहे, पण इथं वेगळ्या टर्म्स आहेत त्याचे आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायला पाहिजे. x square plus 4x minus 7. So you further simplify 1 upon 2 root x square plus 4x minus 7 into derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 4x is 4 and derivative of constant term is 0. Here you take common 2, x plus 2 upon 2 root x square plus 4x minus 7. 2 get cancelled, therefore final answer is x plus 2 upon root x square plus 4x minus 7. This is our final answer. Okay, very simple. Then next term, here again you differentiate with respect to x. Here you get dy by dx is equal to derivative of root. Same as question number 3. Root चा derivative काय आहे? Derivative of root x 1 upon 2 root x. So here you write 1 upon 2 root x square plus 1 into d by dx of, पुन्हा हे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचे आहे, x square plus root x square plus 1. So we get 1 upon 2 root as it is x square plus 1 into, take derivative separate, derivative of x square चा derivative काय येणार आहे? x raised to n फॉर्म्युला 2x plus derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x square plus 1 into d by dx of x square plus 1. Okay, see here, this is that is derivative of x square x raised to n 2x raised to n minus 1 plus as it is derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x into derivative of again that terms, that is x square plus 1. Write this as it is 2 root 1 upon 2 root x square plus root x square plus 1 into 2x plus 1 upon 2 root x square plus 1 as it is. What is the derivative of x square? 2x plus constant term 0. Here 2 get cancelled. 1 upon 2 root x square plus root x square plus 1 into, here 2x plus x upon root x square plus 1. Further you simplify this. Here take LCM 1 upon 2 root x square plus root x square plus 1 into 2x into root square plus 1 plus x upon root x square plus 1. Okay, here you take x as common. Next you write as x as common. Here x is common. 2 root x square plus 1 upon here 2 root x square plus 1 into root x square plus root x square plus 1. This is the last answer. Okay, here 2 cancel करू नका, इथे addition आहे त्याची. C इथे multiply असेल तर 2 cancel झालं असतं. Okay, students, remaining example in question number 1 you try to solve yourself. Now I take here question number 2. Differentiate with respect to x again. Here y is 1 cos of x square plus a square. Differentiate with respect to x. What we get? dy by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of cos? Cos का derivative क्या होगा? minus sin x है. So we write here minus sin x square plus a square into again derivative of, this is sin x derivative, but here sin x square plus a square is there. Therefore we take derivative of again x square plus a square. So minus sin x square plus a square into, take derivative of this two term, derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of a square is 0, constant term. So you write as minus 2x first side into sin x square plus a square. This is the required derivative. Okay. Similarly here second, differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of root? Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2 root x e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 into, again you take derivative of 2 root x. X means here e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. Okay, that is 1 upon 2 root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x into derivative of e raised to x is there. E raised to x derivative है e raised to x. But here e raised to 3x plus 2 is there. Therefore, we again get derivative of 3x plus 2 and derivative of 5 is 0. So we get e raised to 3x plus 2 upon 2 root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5 into derivative of 3x is 3 plus constant term is 0. So final answer is 3 upon 2 into e raised to 3x plus 2 upon root e raised to 3x plus 2 plus 5. This is the required answer. Okay. See third example, y is equal to log of tan x upon 2. You differentiate with respect to x. y का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? dy by dx is equal to derivative of log x. Here you consider this as x. So derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So we get here 1 upon x means tan x upon 2 into again derivative of tan x upon 2. So 1 upon tan means cot x into derivative of tan x is sec square x. tan x डेरिवेटिव काय sec square x, पण इथे x upon 2 आहे त्यामुळे पुन्हा त्याचं डेरिवेटिव घ्यायचं x d by dx of x upon 2. So what is the cot? Cot means cos upon sin. X upon 2 x upon 2 into sec means 1 upon cos square x upon 2 into derivative of x upon 2 is 1 upon 2 as it is, and derivative of x is 1. So here 1 cos get cancelled, so we get x 1 upon 2 into sin x upon 2 into cos x upon 2. And you know in the trigonometry 2 sin theta into cos theta is nothing but, so we get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 sin x into cos x is sin of 2x. X means here x upon 2. That is equal to 1 upon sin x. And 1 upon sin x is nothing but cosec x. So we get dy by dx is equal to cosec x. Okay. Similarly, next one, differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x into dy by dx of रूट एक्स डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय 1 अपॉन 2 रूट एक्स आहे, पण इथे x आहे का नाही, tan ऑफ रूट एक्स आहे, त्यामुळे त्याचं पुन्हा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचं tan ऑफ रूट एक्स. फर्स्ट राइट एज इट इज 1 अपॉन 2 रूट tan रूट एक्स into डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ tan x. tan रूट एक्स ला आपण x म्हणूया. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ tan x काय आहे, sec square x into sec square x means here root x into again derivative of x नाही आहे, रूट x आहे, फक्त x सेंटर आहेच राहणार आहे. x सोडून दुसरं काय आलं तर त्याचा पुन्हा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचा आहे, हे विसरायचं नाही. सो वी गेट x sec square x root x upon 2 root tan root x into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So final answer is sec square root x upon 2 to the 4 root x into root tan root x. This is the final answer. Okay. So students, for understanding differentiation topic, you must first recite the formulae I had given you in the last video, in the starting of this video. डिफरेंशिएशन टॉपिकचा व्हिडिओ स्टार्ट काल आपण केलेला आहे, त्यामध्ये जे व्हिडिओ जे फॉर्म्युले स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म्युले डेरिव्हेटिव्हचे दिलेले आहेत ते पहिल्यांदा तुमचं पाठ असणं गरजेचं आहे, तरच तुम्हाला हे डिफरेंशिएशन पटकन घेता येईल. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ log x is 1 upon x, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ root x is 1 upon 2 root x, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ sin x is cos x. जरी पाठ करायचं असेल तर ते पहिल्यांदा रिसाइट करा, पाठ करून घ्या, and then you solve this exercise. So students, today's your homework is try to solve practice set 1.1 question number 1 and 2. Today we will stop here. In the next video we will see remaining examples in exercise 1.1. Okay, thank you.